Hi, this is John with WTI, and I work from home. I'm constantly on Zoom calls, I'm constantly giving classes, and I was trying other cameras in the system, but this one from Logitech, this is 1080p, 30 frames per second, it's fast, the color correction and the image quality is great. Whenever I'm giving classes, it's give me a lot of confidence knowing that my camera works, has the right color, has the right movement, and the quality and image of this camera while I'm giving classes to other students. It's a lifesaver for me. I was trying a lot and I was always in the market looking for the best quality and the price and everything. So as I use this like an everyday essential for my work, I haven't found any problem at it. It's a plug and play by USB to your computer. You don't have to do any drivers that you have to download. No. This is plug and play, easy, and it will always works. You can always adjust the angle, the degrees to your computer, and it's gonna work perfectly. So it's never gonna have a problem. So if you're looking for a good camera for your classes, for your Zoom calls, this is one for you. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.